What's up guys, Ryan here. So I recently finished recording over an hour of video walkthroughs for the product validation phase as a part of my Ryan's Method Amazon FBA course, where I show you how to launch your own private label products on Amazon for beginners. Now, this clip you're about to watch is taken from one of those videos where we're using a couple different Chrome extensions to validate our list of potentially good fit products. The Chrome extensions we were using include DS Amazon Quick View, Jungle Scout, and Helium 10 are the primary three we lean on for the product validation phase. And guys, if you're watching this video and you're thinking, slow down, man, you're talking too fast, go ahead and check out the link right here where you can sign up for my free Amazon FBA mini course. It's a 6-day mini course delivered all by email. I'll walk you through everything you need to know to find and validate your first Amazon FBA private label products. So guys, enjoy the clip. So yeah, we're gonna do this. I forgot to mark the cast iron skillet as red because we can just make a little note here somewhere. No Amazon basics. And pull this out of the top. All right, and then car sun protection visor. I wish I kept the search results URL to speed this up. Here we go. Was this really a 7 or was this a mistake? Let me rerun Jungle Scout for a second because I can't remember if... No, it was a 7, but it was because it's mixing in the other products. That is why. But it seemed like the 2-in-1 visor. Oh, by the way, guys, you can just mouse over the Jungle Scout extensions. And you can sort by revenue. All right, so car shade is what's driving the most of the revenue in this result, and that is not the product we're looking at. Windshield shade again. So the top five products are doing almost all of the revenue, which skewed the data here to make it look like the product that we had in mind to sell was selling really well. Although what it might have revealed is that maybe we could look into selling these car windshield shades. Car windshield sunshade with 2 ears. You see how it auto-completes and gives us suggestions? Yes. I don't even know what this is, but that is a good idea. Like if Amazon's auto-filling it for us, that means that customers are searching it, which means we should be paying attention as sellers. So let's run Jungle Scout here and see what comes up. Low demand, medium competition. Okay, so you know what? Let's just get rid of this too because it does not seem to be worthwhile. We have 2 seemingly good products that we're going to look into in the next lecture, but hopefully this got you ready to do your own validation. I took a long time doing it. You don't need to take as long as I did. I was just trying to be thorough and help because most of you guys watching this are going to be going through this process for the first time and probably have lots of questions. And again, if I didn't answer them, just hit me up in the comments. I will answer them immediately. All right, guys, I hope you found that clip helpful and informative. If you're ready to dive in and start the full course, I will also put a link below in the description. If you're wondering, I spent over a year on this course. It's got to be, if it's not the most thorough Amazon FBA course, I can't imagine someone putting out a more thorough one. I spent over a year on it, and all the information in there is based on me spending hundreds, if not over 1,000 hours on my own FBA business that spans over years. And you can follow my whole journey on ryanhogue.com/income reports. There's always a link in the description to my website. It's called Why You Can Trust Me because I publish transparent income reports every month so that you know when you hear stuff from me, it's because I'm really doing it. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe. Please hit the like button. Please drop me a comment telling me you liked it. And if you have questions, ask me a question. Thank you for checking it out, and I'll see you at the next one.